Here she is. Oh my god, are you joking? No, wait, can you hold this? I can't do this. So this is a tinkly thing that Cardi B talks about. I feel like we could do a little podcast here. These thoughts in my head. Where are we going to?
We are going to another exhibition.
Why do you talk like an actual like historian who's like, we're currently on our way to our next building.
I'm incredibly scared of birds, and fortunately for me, there were many seagulls.
Oh, that looks so sick. How does this piece make you feel?
It makes me feel like I'm in Taiwan.
I wonder what's going on there.
It was a cat.
That doesn't look like anything like a cat.
I thought it was a cat. And then when I see this one, I'm thinking a monster. This is like the eyes, and then this is like the head. Yeah.
I can't see that actually, but oh, like this, like.
I get it. You know what I mean?
She's not walking down very gracefully though, is the question. Oh my god, this is so uncanny valley, what the hell?